Before starting this video everyone, I'm going to show you that how much time I'm taking to draw this diagram with my hand, and you can also follow the process and make this diagram much easier as I do. In this video, I will teach you slow and easy process so that you can follow me and draw the diagram much easier. And now it's time to start the lesson. If you enjoyed this video, then must hit the like button. So let's start the process. First of all, we have our page and we have to put the hand in the front of page like this. Then after we will mark some points so that these points will help us to draw the male reproductive system. Simply we will mark both sides and then after we will draw the arc like this using the marks, and then another line. We have to make it parallel to both sides and put it like this at the end. Now here we have to make two parallel lines inside of it. So we are doing that one, and then after we will merge them. So let me show you how it will be look like. So we have to make it like this, and now it's time to merge them. We will simply connect this line and merge them like this. Okay, same again we have to do at both sides. Make sure some space will be there. Yeah, so we have done this one. Now it's time to make another arc for taste is you. Once we have done that one, now it's time to draw something inside of it like this. Put it here, and now we have to make a gap. Then after we will draw another line that will be like this. So once you have completed this, now follow me. Okay, so here we will draw another line. Okay, and then after we will match both the lines. Once we have completed, then after we will draw another line, and now we have to connect this line same parallel to the above as we have done. Now it's time to draw the another line at here, make some folds, and then after we have to make some tree like structure. Then another tree like structure at here we have to do. So let me show you where. First of all, we have to make the line like this. Then after we have to draw the tree like structure at here. Once we have completed, then after we have to make the bladder. So we will do that one. Don't be worried. Must follow me what I am doing right now. So as much we have done. Now it's time to draw the bladder. So here we will draw the tree like structure first. Then after we will draw here the bladder that will be look like this. So then after everyone, we have to make something inside of it. Like I'm going to show that what we have to do. We have to do another line that will be outside of it, and one line that will come at here. It will be inside of it. Okay, so it will be coming from upper body, so that's why we have uh, place it inside of it. Okay, now it's time to make it more neat and clean, so that's why I'm using the eraser and completing this male reproductive system. Then we will do the labeling. So first of all we have to make it correct, and then after we will make it neat and clean so that we can easily draw the labeling lines. So we have completed this whole diagram everyone, and now it's time to play the game. So first of all, I'm going to make some lines so that we can label the diagram. Here we have done the labelings line, and now it's time to play the game. So let me know first one name everyone. I'm just asking. So this one is bladder. Then after another one, let me know. So this one is prostate gland, and then after, so this one is penis, and now we have to name another one. So this one is urethra, and next one, so this one is testis. Let me know next one, everyone. So this one is scrotum, and so this one is was defense, and then after let me know second last. So this one is seminal vesicle, and then after last one. So this one is ureter. Hope you have enjoyed the process and loved the labeling way of game and fun. Hit the like button and see you again. Thank you.